Ceiling fans have been used to cool houses for years. Well, here's a little hack on how to use your ceiling fan to keep you warm in the colder months. So when the weather gets cold, if you reverse the fan, it'll take the heat that rises to your ceiling and push it down to mix with the colder air below. That will save you a ton of money from heating your house. Also, make sure that the fan speed is on low. Any faster than that, you'll feel a draft, and that'll give you the feeling of cold air. I'm Adam Helfman from Hire It Done, and this is one of our household hacks.
What you don't know can hurt you. HireItDone.com